Today's show is going to be very, very brief. Of course, we all know what is going on right now in Nigeria concerning Very Dark Man. We all know what is going on concerning Very Dark Man. When I was on live chat yesterday, I saw some comments. Some people said Very Dark Man has been kidnapped. I was seeing the video yesterday. I was seeing it. I ignored when they were typing it because that could be a setup. That could be a setup. So later someone said the lawyer has spoken. That the lawyer said it was the Igbo team that arrested him. I don't want to mention people's name. That it was the Igbo team that arrested him. Here we call Very Dark Man Akerogun. The lawyer said Akerogun has been arrested by the Igbo team. And they were pushing different types of narratives this yesterday. Some said it was inside go to back ilé ìfowópamọ́. Some said go to back ilé ìfowópamọ́. Go to back ilé ìfowópamọ́. I have to take my time because we have to be very, very careful. I have to take my time. But recently, I saw a post whereby go back to school ilé ìfowópamọ́ released a footage when Akerogun was leaving their premises. Some said it was inside go back to school. Go to go to back in ó yẹ kó ti yé yín now. Go back to school sha. They said Akerogun's face was covered. Let me tell you something. My own narrative, my narrative will be technical. My narrative will be extremely technical. My narrative, it takes someone with good IQ to understand my narrative. This is what is going on. You remember around February, I told you guys that some people came to my house around 2 a.m. I have the footage here. When I was shouting that some people came to my house around 2 a.m. nobody listened. Everybody ignored. The truth is, this lover will never back down. I'm sorry if you don't understand my own narrative. I don't care, but I surely know what I'm talking about. I've been a victim for years. God has saved me so many times. I could not walk alone. I walk around with heavy securities. And I've been saying this over and over and over and over. Nobody cared to listen because it has not happened to you. If you challenge this lover, if you are not being technical, she will set the trap and you will enter the trap. Akerogun will learn. He's a young guy. very vibrant, but as time goes on, he will learn how to be technical. He will learn how to be technical. Thanks to my husband, has been able to manage me, has been able to set my foot on some right path. Like, no, don't do this, do this. If you do this, they may do this. Thanks to my backup warriors, I have some elites in my own group, well-educated people. Thanks to my lawyer that always guide me at times. Go this side, don't go this side. My narrative will be very, very technical. What happened to Akinrogun, we all don't know. What happened right now to him, we all don't know. But let me tell you something. As a friend, if I see you in some settings or some group, I will back out. That was the greatest mistake Akinrogun made. Akinrogun, you are coming out soon, very soon, and I hope you will learn. You will learn. You are coming out soon. You see, since all this while, I've been on live chat, trying to express my feelings, my fear to Nigerians, but nobody cares to listen. This is it. If you can remember, Gistlover posted some list, some Agege list, some months ago. Gistlover posted some Agege list some months ago. I want you to open your brain and listen to me. I want you to listen. Gistlover posted some Agege. He mentioned their names allegedly. He listed those names. Akinrogun. And the same list Gistlover posted happens to be in a party. And the person that organized this party immediately traveled out. Akinrogun, let them face their consequence. What is your own to tell them that Egbeleye is looking for them? You are no more a baby. An activist is an activist. An activist needs to be technical. The moment the organizer of the Agege party traveled out, you were supposed to know that Kuti did not really Odigobe. If you look at the Agege party, I was the first victim. They were pushing different fake narratives. And both the Yorubas and the Igbos, they were being carried away. So, Egbeleye, start picking people. Don't forget that the same people Egbeleye are picking right now, they are same people Gistlover had already shortlisted for Agege. When did you want to wake up? When did you guys want to wake up? It's a game of mind. Akinrogun, you are now telling another that carry his two legs. Or do you guys think we are joking here? You think we are joking? You think Lizzy Anjorin is joking? Abi, you will see me in the morning, in the evening, in the middle of the night, staging shows. You think I'm joking? You think I don't have tangible things to do with my time? I don't get it. need someone tó ní ọpọlọ tó sound upstairs to know the game. Ọmọ yẹn ti rébọ́, ọmọ yẹn ti lọ jábọ́. Kí ló kún ẹ pẹ̀lú ẹgbẹ́ ẹlẹ́yẹ ń wáyàn? Ṣebí lójú wọn àwa ń datọ́ ni, nínú etí wọn orí wa ò pé, nínú ọpọlọ wọn àwa ò mọ nǹkan tá à ń ṣe. Àbí bá a ṣe ń kì í nílọ̀ fún yín, bá a ṣe ń sọ fún yín, àbí ọpọlọ yín ò ṣiṣẹ́. Nígbà tí wọ́n ti rìlíìsì orúkọ àwọn Agége, tó ti rìlíìsì orúkọ yẹn, VeryDarkMan, gbogbo àwọn èèyàn ńláńlá tó mọ̀ ni wọ́n fẹ́ kó lose. Gbogbo àwọn èèyàn ńláńlá tó mọ̀ ni wọ́n fẹ́ kó lose. Tí wàhálà bá dẹ̀ ti dáwọ́ àti Gistlover pọ̀, you have to be technical. You have to be technical. Tíjà bá ti dáwọ́ àti Gistlover pọ̀, torí gbogbo nǹkan ni Gistlover máa fi wá ẹ, ní gbogbo ọ̀nà ni Gistlover máa fi wá ẹ. Ọ̀rọ̀ tí ọmọ yẹn sọ, àwọn ẹgbẹ́ ẹlẹ́yẹ tiẹ̀ lè má rí di mínísì rárá, àmọ́ Gistlover ṣì wà láyé, bó tiẹ̀ ti lè jẹ́ kó ti kú. Mi ìfẹ́ sọ experience mi fún yín, mi ìfẹ́ sọ nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ fún yín, mi ò fẹ́ bà yín lẹ́rù, mi ìfẹ́ kẹ́ gbọ́ àwọn nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ lójoojúmọ́. Mo rántí pé mo lọ sí party kan ní last year, party onítíátà ni. Àwọn tó súnmọ́ mi mọ ọ̀rọ̀ tí mò ń sọ yìí. Èmi ò kí ń lọ sí party onítíátà mọ́, ṣùgbọ́n ẹni yìí ẹni tí mo pọ́nlé dáadáa ni, ẹni tó máa ń dìde fún mi ni, ẹni tó máa ń dìde fún mi ní gbogbo ìgbà ni. Party tí gbogbo yín mọ̀ ni. Mo lọ sí party ẹni yìí, adé láti party, ìgbà tó máa di ọjọ́ kejì tó máa di ọjọ́ kẹta, àtẹ̀mí àti gbogbo àwa tá lọ party àtàwọn tó tẹ̀lé mi lọ sí party, gbogbo wa pátápátá ni wọ́n sọmọ s'Abuja. Gbogbo wa pátápátá ni wọ́n sọmọ s'Abuja. Àwọn tó súnmọ́ mi bí iṣẹ́ ọrùn, mo sọ kéèsì yẹn fún wọn. Mo wá sọ fún àwọn ẹni yẹn, mo ní tó bá dijọ́ mi tán bá pèèyàn sí party, téèyàn ò bá lọ, wọn ò ní mọ nǹkan tójú wọn rí o. Ẹ ti gbàgbé pé party ni Bobrisky lọ. Ẹ ti gbàgbé sẹ́ẹ̀tì àwọn tó wà níbi tí party Bobrisky wà. Ẹ máa ń gbàgbé nǹkan. Ẹ ti máa ń gbàgbé nǹkan jù. Ẹ máa ń tètè gbàgbé nǹkan. So many things ni mi kì í sọ síta. So many things ni mi kì í sọ síta. Ẹ ti gbàgbé wípé party tí Bobrisky lọ, àwọn setting tó wà ńbẹ̀ tó mẹ́gbẹ́ ẹlẹ́yẹ dání, the same thing setting yẹn náà ló mú ẹgbẹ́ ẹlẹ́yẹ dání. Níjọ́ wo la fẹ́ gbọ́n ní Nàìjíríà? Mo ní níjọ́ wo lọpọlọ wa tó fẹ́ ṣiṣẹ́? All the rat-tails need to be careful of the failed actress Adotoshi Amebo Gistlover. All the rat-tails need to be careful of her. The stunt she played on Baba Suwe, she wants to play it with Akerogun. The stunt she played on Baba Jesha, she wants to play it again. All the rat-tails need to be careful. For those that wants to help Baba Ijesha, as a matter of fact, the failed actress manipulated Baba Ijesha. I mean the Amebo Gistlover manipulated Baba Ijesha to tell his lawyer not to come to the court anymore, that they will find him a better lawyer. The same thing this failed actress did during Baba Suwe. when they were sourcing for fund for Baba Suri, I was the first person that donated. The failed actress, Amebo Adoto Shigislova, disseminated fake informations against me that I said nobody should donate to Baba Suri. Another trick of this failed actress, Adoto Amebo Gislova. Another trick of her is this. She would want you to go against your helper so that she can destroy you further. Let me show you what she did for record purpose. Don't forget that the failed actress, Amebo Adoto Shigislova, has been calling me former or ex-actress. But thank God for God, I never failed like her. Mi ò dé lọ ní sílé onípòsí kí n lọ jó lórí òkú ọmọ kókó. Mi ò dé dá wàhálà lẹ̀ sí Nàìjíríà kí wá máa fi blọ́ọ̀gì DM àwọn ọmọ olórin pé àwọn èèyàn wà nínú òrùn kan wá dáwó 7 náà. The pathetic failed actress. I want you to see the video she did. The video she cut out of my yesterday video. Because that yesterday video had great messages. My message yesterday is not even about Akinrogun. My message yesterday is all about the peace of the country. Like I said, nobody can stop Egbeleye. Myself, I've been invited to many offices. Of course, I went there by myself. But the one that baffled me most was the one that happened around February, where some group of men came to my house around 2 a.m. in the middle of the night without any invitation. Who opened our main gate for them? Of course, we all know who did all that. As the failed actress, Amebo Adoto Shigislova has been pitching Akinrogun against Seun, pitching Seun against Akinrogun, like I said this morning. The failed actress, Amebo Adoto Shigislova, is enjoying the whole drama between our beautiful sister, the gospel musician, and Akinrogun, a guy that fights for the masses. Gislova is somewhere cooling off her empty head. It was a trick. Until Nigerian government deemed it fit to fish out this failed actress, Adoto Shigislova, that is when we will have peace in this country. Don't forget how this failed actress, Adoto Amebo Gislova, bullied Mobliss during his wedding to his beautiful Ghanaian wife. You all saw what she did to that guy. And for those that they listed their name on gay list under Amebo Gislova, and they still find time, I don't know what prompted them or what pushed them to ibi tí wọ́n ti lọ ganu sí àwọn àtẹnujẹ. If Egbeleye decide to pick any one of them, it's none of my business. I want to show you a video. We've been doing this video before. Then, of course, they are flagging. Let me show you the video. See what the failed actress wrote about me. Like I said, as from today henceforth, we will be addressing the failed actress. Sorry, I mean the pathetic, failed, unfortunate failed actress. Amebo Adoto Shigislova as failed actress as from today. So look at what she did. Look at what she did. See. See. Amebo. Adotoshi. Hot gist. Shetiri. She said her former actress, Lizzy Anjorin, rubbishes a whole VDM and entire Ratel fans. This is how she tricked Baba Suwe. This is how Baba Suwe ended up in prison. When I was telling people yesterday that Atotoshi Gistlover is behind the whole thing, see. Imagine. Shall you see? Shall you see? This is how unfortunate failed actress Atotoshi Gistlover. This is how she tricked her victim to prison. Because the show that I did yesterday really exposed the former actress Atotoshi Gistlover. Shall you see? Former actress Lizzy Anjorin rubbishes a whole VDM and entire Ratel. You see? Shall you see? All the Ratels, you need to be careful. Let me show you. This is to show you she's behind it. See. See. When I was mentioning her name, when I was saying it was Atotoshi Gistlover, the former actress, that is behind the whole thing. Shall you see? Former actress Lizzy Anjorin rubbishes a whole VDM and entire Ratel. Shall you see? Shall you see? Because the video I did yesterday really exposed her. Shall you see? Shall you see? This is how she sent Baba Suwe to early grave. This is how the failed actress Amebo Atotoshi Gistlover sent Mohbad to early grave. This is how the failed actress Amebo Atotoshi Gistlover sent Baba Ijesha to prison. Shall you see? Shall you see? Now, I was saying something this morning. People will be saying, why Gistlover every day? I said, until you know where your problems are coming from. If you don't know the genesis of your own problem, you can never win. I remember some good lawyers stood for Baba Ijesha. This unfortunate bastard, this failed actress, went to go and trick Baba Ijesha just for the man to try enter prison to prove one point. To prove what point? This unfortunate failed actress, she never bragged of building a house. She never bragged buying a car. She never bragged doing something meaningful. All she does is destroying people. Now, you all listened to my video yesterday. Everybody listened to it. But because she knew that my point could help VeryDarkMan from her trap, that was the reason the failed actress came up with this. Ìwọ tó sọ pé rẹ́sì yẹn mò ń bọ̀. Ìwọ má worry. Shetiri, etiri ọgbọ́n tó dá. Look at the failed actress. This is how the failed actress has manipulated a lot of people to early grave and to prison. This is how your failed actress has been operating. Remember the video that I did yesterday. It is not about Akerogun alone. That video that I did yesterday destroyed the failed actress donation tactics. She was pained. The former actress, the failed actress, the expired actress failed woefully because a trick of manipulating people, tricking people, hiding under mere harmless protest to turn it to bigger thing, to turn it to war. Shetiri, if you listen to my show yesterday, it is a must. You listen to my show yesterday. My yesterday show is not about Akirogun, it's not about VDM. My yesterday show is about peace of Nigeria and Lagos State. The failed actress was pained because I made mention something yesterday that Adotoshi Gistlover, because of donation, she can hijack that protest and turn it to something bigger. Situation whereby they can go and loot shop, right? Loot innocent people's shop. Of course, she will collect donation from the musicians, all those hip hop artists. That my yesterday show was a bomb. That was the reason the failed actress came up with this. Now, let's listen to the video I made for Very Dark Man yesterday. And thank God there was no comment under it. All the rattles, you have to be careful. Adotoshi Gistlover, the failed actress, is behind the war between Very Dark Man and whoever that is fighting him. Don't forget that this time last year, nobody has ever used black cloth to cover his face. This time upper year before, this has never happened to him. He's a young guy. Of course, he will learn gradually. The way he will react to matter, I cannot react to matter because I have done some mistake in the past, which I will never do again. Someone said mention her name. Her name is the failed actress Amebo Adotoshi Gistlover. As you can see it now, that is her name. The failed actress Adotoshi Amebo Gistlover. That is her name. The failed actress. The failed actress is looking for a way to bury Mohbad by all means, because they've used Mohbad's death to collect a lot of donations. The failed actress Adotoshi Amebo Gistlover, ọmọ ṣe bitan, ọmọ ṣiṣẹ́ bitan, ọmọ gbebe. Let's listen to how the failed actress Adotoshi Amebo Gistlover wanted to manipulate the ratio.
Yes, I'm doing this live on this VDM matter, so that we can find a way to stop this oppression in our country. I don't know if anybody know what they caused the what happened for the matter, but I spoke to the lawyer and they say now one issue with some gospel. Give me a sec. Wow. Well, maybe that. Okay. Yes. Thanks. Yes. Are we going now? No bit. Okay. Call me when you. Yes. Call me. Yeah. So yeah. Do I take your saxophone? Yes. Yes. Please. So yeah. Did you tell me say now one gospel artist when they talk for their matter, say they take person money, they don't take person money, stop. So right there and then, I don't even want to mention the name of anybody we didn't get the issue with. I just want to see what they happen. Even this GT Bank, where everybody they make noise about. I mean, listen, I don't know why. See, when me I tell them something say they happen for this country, and they holler, they shout, say, ain't nobody takes it serious. VDM lawyer is my lawyer. We they follow GTB, the drag case. Not only GTB, all the banks in Nigeria. There's no bank in Nigeria that is a good bank. There's no bank. When that my issue happened, my DM was full of people's horror stories. My sister, Yeni Anikolabo Kuti, my sister just called me last week. Say her small money where she keep inside her GT account, it disappeared. She called me again, say they want add another journalist, saying gets one money for the GT bank, all the money disappear. Not say they say they withdraw money, your money go just disappear inside that bank. So that's a story for another day. The banking institutions, but this thing will happen to VDM. So how is it possible to happen? Waiting they happen, waiting they really. Now I want to tell you people about the church government of Nigeria. As federal government, they run our country. Now, so all these big pastors too, they run Nigeria. You see, for all this their church, all their members now they run Nigeria. That's why Nigeria can never be good. Go to any civil service, any government office. Now, so they gang themselves like courts. The way courts is, they gang themselves up inside office. Now, so all these church members, they own different government parastatals. We be saying that from certain church, once one person from that church don't be oga for day, and so you go load everybody from a church. Now don't say outside people, outside people they do this stuff. Outside, nobody they do this thing reach churches. So as soon as one day boycott GT Bank, that is only one part of the thing we give this thing power. Look, I'm just not pay tithe this Sunday. And I know if I pay tithe this weekend, now they go take lock VDM on Monday. And they hear me, if I pay tithe this weekend, now that tithe they won't take lock VDM on Monday. Now all my offering, when they go donate, all the rate tithe and offering. That's what they are using it for. Because we do not understand this country. So this situation now is that men of God, so-called men or people of God, not only men, people, the people of God are the ones fighting VDM for speaking the truth. Yes, bank must put mouth because bank is a thief business. Everybody know Nigerian bank na thief. Who get money inside bank reach churches? Who get money inside bank reach churches? Now they don't call the bank. Say me the whole VDM there. So they won't arrest them. So maybe that's why they even go to take him mama money to loan him into the bank. They have planned everything. Now the people of God, it is the people of God that have done this to somebody that is fighting for poor people, because he's asking them to return money that they stole. Because he's asking them to return money that they stole. I called Deji. That's why I never talk about the matter. I said, who arrest them? Waiting gongo be the issue. Or can I say GT Bank? No, if you say that they won't arrest them. On top of say they thief money, they don't bond them well. So they must be underlining. And he also post video. I see one video where he post about the Sheikh Tinubu. Even though those are no press any button, all their boy won't make them think say yes, that they do work, that they work, make they say that they work. They say go put their own mouths. So we as Nigerian people need to understand, say VDM, this matter, it pass as we dey see am. If we no fight for all these kind of things to stop, for people to be using our institutions as their personal, it is crazy. At the time that waiting they happen be that simple. This is what is happening to VDM right now. And nobody is going to call out the pastors that run that church, the general overseers that run the church. Nobody will call them out. Nobody will say that anything bad is happening from there. So me, I never even really follow in in talk before on the matter. Now yesterday, when did they call her DG? Now yesterday they brief me on the matter. Because left to me, to say he has asked me in the first place. That's why I tell him every time. On herself, now in the year word. Forget fighting for all these big people. Any big man will come meet you saying get problem. Tell me go solve him problem by yourself. You are the big man. Concentrate on helping the poor. Help the powerless. Don't help all these people say when they clean their hand together, everything they clean. Nobody they hear. Now when small state don't come and say we affect only them. Yes, let's face these institutions. If we hear say any of our institutions they do anything, call them out. Forget all these rich people, all these, forget them. Because at the end of the day, most people just want to see people locked up. We are suffering. I look my DM, I know we talk, I mean, we don't shout. What are you going to say? What are you going to say? What are you going to say? What haven't we said? What haven't we said? What haven't we said? What haven't we said? When we call you people to actually do, it is the effort. You see, that's why I don't believe in charity. You know, because I have some money. I have some money. And people ask me for money all the time. They ask me for money all the time. And for somebody like me, we get some change. That's the easiest thing I can actually do. You give you some money. You know? The amount of times I give you shall determines if I care about you. Right? But most people that give to charity, it's not as if they are giving it every week or every day or every month. Once they don't give one, it's okay. They don't forget the matter. We need your participation. Nigerians, we must participate in this country. We must participate in this country. And many things will happen to us for this country. Small things like this, now go stop them. Small things now go stop them. When this GT Bank thing happened to me, I swear, which I won't come my money for GT Bank. I say I will come my money, but I come look and say, if I come on, which Nigerian bank? I look say the best thing to do is to fight them and collect the money that they have stolen back. Because any of the banks, they are all the same. So I start class action suits. Nigerians are not supporting my suits. We need plenty of people to complain legally against these people. We need to face these banks in the courts. If you take your money for one bank, put it down, other they are doing it there too. My DM was full, whether that UBA, whether that Zenith Bank, whether they are all the same. The only way to fight them is to take our money back from them. Now this second one now, as VDM, you know say when I go carrying in a matter, when I count in a matter, give VDM. Anywhere we una do an account in a matter. You know. Now when me I dey respect the boy with that. He go carry himself, he go come up for a house. When I Jaws, so he go go inside bush for Jaws. He go inside bush for Zaria. He go for bush for Ilorin. He go for Benin. He go for, you know, he go. He remind me of me, say, when I create MOP. When I remember back in the day, me say, I go wear my shoe, wear my cloth. I go Lokoja. I go Anambra. I go up and down Nigeria. They try to bring people to the consciousness of my political movement. So this one now, when they happen, not be soon I go sit down for this thing. Because it's either they carry him to court on Monday, or they put him in their cell still. Wherever he is, right there when I love him. Millions of you people watching, following, forget, show up. Trust me. If you not show up one time, this will not be saying, it's not a protest. This is not a protest. This is called solidarity. See, now when they defeat many of our people be that, and at the name that they give Nigerians, be that, now the name that they call on be that, they say that they are ungrateful. That's what they tell me every day. That's what that bastard Samuel Ekpa, which they call now, where they don't hold on now. When he said they come back to where they come, She be saying my papa die like chicken. He's coming to Nigeria. Let's see how do we end him in Nigeria when he gets here. Before I can determine which animal they end like that. You don't understand? See my grandma, my papa they die like chicken. See Nigerians, they no get grateful. See, no matter what the person do for now, when something bad happen to now for inside the house now, they do yeah. This is most of even they laugh the person. This is your chance to prove them wrong. Show VDM solidarity. Yes. For matters when no reach this one, but don't gather go there, go they do rubbish. If na pop idol now, Nigerian idol, they look for contestants. Not only will you people pack yourself there in your hundreds of thousands. You now be going on TV making fools of yourself, people's fathers, people's mothers, people's children. All of you will be on TV with the one we get talent to, the one we don't get talent, making a fool of yourselves. Now, let's do something serious, young people. Let's do something serious. There's nothing like Monday, there's nothing like Sunday, there's no Saturday in this matter. They want show solidarity. If they are seeing thousands of people outside anywhere they take that boy, they will know that it is not a joke to keep that boy illegally for something that, to oppress him is wrong. To oppress him means to oppress a generation of people in our country that he represents. You know, say when I first day for sale, when police arrest me that time, that whole first day, now videos of Nigerians where they laugh me, and then they show me. The police people say, "No be that we have got you." They show me videos. We'll take you down. They show me videos upon videos of different Nigerians calling for my prosecution by this one. How they will beat ya. That's what they were showing me in the cell. All night. But the next morning, when me I go stand up, say when they go court, my people were everywhere in court. Everywhere full of people. From that moment, I became even stronger. I know say things must change for me for the matter. So make this one be our chance to show that we are grateful for some things. Show the boy that you are grateful. Don't let them treat him. Show them that they can no longer treat us as they like. Make all those church power men for church, which they get all this now overseer. Now they get Nigeria. Let me tell you the secret. See, you know if they do bad thing, make your mind day at rest. Which I tell you, you know if they do bad things, make your mind day at rest. These general overseers, other than the money laundering that they do through the church, because church business is nothing but money laundering business. That's why Oyedepo and Godeyab for example, which money are you donating to me? It's not your tithe money I'm spending. And get business. What business are they doing? Not be for inside Orisha Jaffor plane. They make $9 million cash for South Africa. With South African government season. He say Jonathan give him the money to go buy arms. He said Jonathan give her the money to go buy arms. Abi? Not in this Nigeria. Not in this Nigeria. Let me tell you why they are so powerful. When your politicians have done all these bad things, it weighs heavy on their heart. They cannot sleep. They cannot eat. They are not eat. They are human. They be human beings. No matter how you bad, those actions they their hearts. And we Nigerians will not get the culture of talking to therapists. And which kind of therapist Nigerian politician won't talk to? Imagine a Nigerian politician talking to a Nigerian therapist about what he has done in Nigeria. The therapist like will beat her down. The therapist will forget all training. The therapist will forget everything when you teach her for school. Patient client confidentiality, patient doctor confidentiality out the window. The the therapist go beat the politician die. Imagine you as a Nigerian therapist make a Nigerian politician call onboarding himself to you. So where did they onboarding themselves? To these pastors. I dey tell you. Hence the power. They have all the secrets. All the secrets in their hand like this. They have all the secret of all your politicians. That's where they go to onboarding. Hence the power of such people. Hence what they show like this, they take person. That's the power they are showing you people right now. Yes.